Hello, welcome once again to this channel. My name is Lydia Chibule. In today's video, we are going to learn how to crochet wrist warmers. It is easy to crochet. And if you are new to this channel and like this content, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell. You will be notified whenever I upload a video. Materials: yarn, it's 100% acrylic, it is 4-ply, pair of scissors, and hook at 3.5 mm. Let us start. For foundation chain, we are going to start with 30 chains. Start with a slip knot. For foundation chain, we are going to start with 30 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. We are going to use a single crochet. From the second chain from the hook, we are going to start with single crochet. This is the last stitch. We are going to chain 1 and turn our work. For second row, we are going to use back loop. This is the front loop, this is the back loop. We are going to use back loop, single crochet back loop only. The last stitch, we are going to use both front loop and back loop. Chain 1, insert third row, back loop only. We are going to continue with back loop until for size medium until we have 22 rows to 24 rows. If you used this 4-ply yarn, if you used another type of yarn, you can add on more rows or decrease on the rows. But for me, I'm going to make 24 rows. Then I will come back and show you what next. I made 24 rows. Next, we are going to join. I'm going to fold it like this, and we join. We are going to first join for first 10 stitches. And slip stitch, side back loop on this side, then slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, we are going to crochet single crochet for 6 stitches only one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we are going to continue with joining until to the end. Continue with slip stitch until to the end. One and cut off there. The fourth row, we are going to weave in. We are going to weave in this end. Cut off this and return to the right side.